This is 4 fingering groups for 12 major scales and singing along to 15 major scale series.
Lesson 7. Common fingering A major scale.
Lesson 1 introduced the 4 fingering groups. Lesson 2 presented the single sound system for all musical accidental notes. Lesson 3 used the C major scale to illustrate the 5 characteristics of the common fingering. Lessons 4, 5, and 6 utilized the common fingering characteristics in D, E, and G major scales and demonstrated how easy and nice it is to use the single sound system. In this lesson 7, we'll learn the A major scale, the last one using the common fingering. Same procedures as before, I'll play 1, 2, and 4 octaves. The ascending A major scale is A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. We know already that all sharp notes rhyme with I, so the single sound systems are A, B, Si, D, E, Fi, Gi, and A. Fingering is the same as C, D, E, and G major scales. Right hand is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The descending A major scale is A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, and A. In the single sound system, they are A, Gi, Fi, E, D, Si, B, and A. Fingering again is the same as in the C, D, E, and G major scales. Right hand is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and left hand is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play on the piano. Right hand first. Ascending A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Descending A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Fingering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Descending 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Solfège. Ascending
A, B, Si, D, E, Fi, Gi, A.
Descending
A, Gi, Fi, E, D, Si, B, A.
Left hand A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Descending A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Fingering 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Descending 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solfège.
A, B, Si, D, E, Fi, Gi, A.
Descending
A, Gi, Fi, E, D, Si, B, A.
All root notes are played by the thumb or the pinky. All third and sixth notes are played by the middle finger. Third, sixth, descending. Third, sixth, left hand. Third, sixth, descending. Third, sixth. I truly love this new solfège system.
A, B, Si, D, Fi, Gi, Fi, E, D, Si, B, A.
Not only it makes singing along easy, but it maintains the one-to-one relationship between the singing sounds, the staff notes, the pitches, and the piano keys. We don't have to transfer A to Do, B to Re, C sharp to Mi, etc., etc. first before singing the familiar movable Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do solfège. This new single sound solfège is a wonderful replacement for the fixed Do solfège because this system uses different sounds from the movable Do system. There is no confusion, significantly simplifying teaching, learning, and communications. To play 2 or more octaves, follow the number 5 rule of the common fingering characteristics. Don't force the thumb to go under the pinky or the pinky cross over the thumb for the next note. In other words, when playing ascending, the right hand only uses the pinky when you want to stop or when you are ready to go descending. Similarly, when playing descending, the left hand only uses the pinky when you want to stop or you are ready to go ascending. It's time to play the 3 and 4 octaves, expanding the 2-octave fingering further up and down. Congratulations! You have completed all the common fingering skills. Next lesson will be the F major skill. Not both hands can use the common fingering anymore. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.